Hello, hello. This is Judy, and I'm trying to do a live. August 2021. Holy moly. It is flying by, right? Okay. I wanted to take a break today and get this Stamp of the Month kit on here for everyone to see. I've created a bunch. I've got some to send out, and I want to get the video on so I can put it on the explanation sheet. So this is what we've got. This is a Stamp of the Month. It's called Tutti Frutti Summer, and it's got some sentiments on here for scrapbook, fun in the sun, summer. It's got relax, sunshine, picnic. So, you know, there are some things that you can use for a scrapbook, and then there are some things you can use for cards. So I cut a lot of these apart while I was playing with it. Let's see. All these little fruit were one stamp, and I cut them apart so I could use them individually. There's an apple, a pineapple, a watermelon, a lemon, and then there's a lemon on the end of hello for the O, and I cut that apart too. Let's see, what else did I cut apart? And I love you very much, and I'm going to do thank you very much on one of the cards that we're going to make. The I love you very much would be great for a lot of things, but thank you very much works better for me, so that's why I did it. And I don't know, that I haven't cut apart, but I could do the summer as well, because you can put any fruit there, but I guess they're using the watermelon for a U because it's like a U. Yeah. Okay, so we have a folder this month. This will be included with the kit. You'll get the folder, and you will get 2 cards to make included in this. And after I get all these made up and weigh them, I might be able to include envelopes. So if I can, I will, without it going, you know, up to the next stamp cost. So this is one card, and there's the hello with the little lemon. Lemons are hot right now. I don't know why. They're cute, but I like lemon in my water. I added some shimmer brush on there. This background here is from the Isabella Cricut collection that you can get for like $10. You get a whole bunch of images to coordinate with the Isabella. But this is so cool, and I can see this for scrapbook pages. You know, you can get it, link it together, or weld it together in Cricut language, and make a whole layout with this in the background. That would be so pretty. So, however, it did take a while to cut out. I will warn you on that. And then the second card is a thank you very much, as I said before. And this is a strawberry I used. That's a Cricut image I pulled in, and that will be included in your kit. And I actually have another strawberry in the kit to put in the inside. Okay. And there's a stamp that does the little seeds. And when I was stamping this, I thought, God, it looks like somebody who has 5 o'clock shadow. So that's, every time I see it, that's what I think of. Anyway, little humor for the day. Okay, so this is another one of the Cricut cuts from the Isabella collection. Same with Just a Note. Okay. And this is really cute. Isn't this cute? It's a little folder. You can put your cards in, and it has a pocket, so you could put photos or a gift card or whatever you want in there. I think a candy bar would fit in there if anybody wants to send me one, right? And this is so easy. It's one piece of 12 by 12 paper, and this paper is from the Isabella collection. Fold it up like this. That's all it is. Okay, so here are the score information. Okay, the scoring information. You get 12 by 12 piece of paper. Double-sided pattern paper is best. You don't want it too thick, so cardstock might be a little hard to fold. Then you're going to score it one side at 1.5, 5 7/8, and 6 1/4. That will give you a 1/4 inch gusset here for the fold over. And then at 10.5, so you have your 2 sides. And then you're going to flip it this way, and you're going to score it 2.5, excuse me, do it this way, 2.5 and 8 1/4. Okay, so whichever side you do, it doesn't matter. All of these are scored and folded in the kits, so you don't have to worry about remembering any of this. But if you want to make any other ones, do a screenshot of that and you will have the directions. And that will be on the instructions sheet for included with the kit as well. Okay, but they will come all folded and scored. Now, I already put the embellishment here, but you could have it the other way. So you could have it with the blue, excuse me, this way, with the blue out instead of the yellow out, which is the way I did it. Like this. Okay. So yeah, you fold both of those, then you're going to fold in your little corners. And the corners all go from the score line. You're going to take this tip and go to the score line. You don't overlap the score line because then it makes it hard to fold in. Okay, so you have to fold it around like this. Okay, and these little corners are the tucking parts to hold it all together. You don't need any glue. And I got this idea from a person on YouTube. She's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I know, but she teaches brother scan and cut tips and techniques, so that's why I watch her. Not because I want to look at Stampin' Up!, but anyway. That's why I watch her, but she's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. She does a great job with brother scan and cut information. So I got it from her, but she did a small one, so I had to reconfigure the measurements to make this fit regular size cards. Okay, your 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then you just take it and tuck it in the corners like that. That's all it is. And then you fold it and it's done. So then you have your little pockets. And if you tuck it the other way, you can have big pockets. You know, if you tuck it this way, then your pockets are taller. So, you know, it's a really neat fold. Okay, so that is the card folder. And then you're going to get the card kit. And so this is the actual envelope or baggie that you're going to get. So you open it up. And it might not be in this order. I put this together so that I'd have it to show. So you're going to have your folder. It's going to be all folded. These are your pieces, because if you wanted to put it on the other side, you know, if you want the yellow out, then you would have that option. Okay, so first card. These are very easy. Oh, these are extra leaves in case you wanted to use a different kind of leaf for these. You can. And these are double-sided. These are all Cricut cuts from the Isabella collection. So you're going to get this type of leaf. Let's see, flipped over. And some of these Cricut cuts may not be perfect. I'm sorry about that, but they're pretty intricate, so it was hard to get all of them perfect. I put the ones that were a little mangled in my kit, so that's what I have to work with, and nobody else has the really mangled ones. You're going to get the little stem for your lemon, and then another set of leaves. So you can use all the leaves or just one set, or you know, whichever you want. You're going to get a 2-piece lemon, so you're going to just glue that on there. And I think you'll have to figure out which side goes where. That looks like it fits there. And then this lemon goes layered on the white. And then you get these 2 pieces. You'll get the blue base. And you'll see there are some little pieces you might have to poke out with a pokey tool. I tried to do most of them, but after doing so many kits, it just got to be so much. I had so many little pieces of paper everywhere. As you can see, there's still some little pieces of paper. But I couldn't believe how well it cut these out. I was amazed. So you'll just pull out those little pieces of paper and layer it onto, I see another one here. Layer it onto your Carolina. This is Carolina, this is Bluebird cardstock. And isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Oh, I see another one right here. Yeah, I had to use a new blade and a new mat to cut these. I wanted to make sure everything stayed down and nice. So you just glue those up. Then you're going to put your lemons on. Actually, maybe we'll do it this way. And you can put them wherever you would like. The picture of the final cards will be in the kit. And I think this part's the top of the lemon. So we use the leaves like this and the little stem. And the stem is, you might get a lighter green and a dark green, or you might get two dark greens, but you can use both sides, so you'll have that designation of light and dark. Okay, so that is card number 1. Oh, and oh my goodness. I don't have a label in here for this, so I'm going to have to go back and put some more of those in. I have tons of them. No wonder I had so many left over. So that's why it's so good that I put these together to show you. So you're going to stamp on this, and I use the Bluebird ink, but you can use any ink you want. And then I colored in the lemon with the shimmer brush, with the lemonade shimmer brush. All right. So that is card 1. All right, card number 2 is thank you very much. And in your little envelope, you'll get the card base. You'll get this piece of lemonade background paper. Oh, let's do it this way. And it has flowers on the back, which you're welcome to use if you'd like. Then you'll get a blue layer, Bluebird layer. This red stripe, which is a Christmas paper from way back when. I think it was Holly Jolly. And you'll get a white piece. And this is the piece you're going to stamp your "You Very Much" on. And you get the thank, because there wasn't a thank in the stamp set, so I cut this out of the Cricut, and the font is like perfect for this. So you put the thank down, then stamp that. And this will go underneath here. And I stamped these in black, and that's why, another reason I cut them out, so I could stamp them individually. And then I did the strawberry and the candy apple. And here are your strawberries. And you will stamp that with the 5 o'clock shadow seed look. And then put your little layer there. And then this strawberry is for the inside, if you would like to put it on the inside. Okay, so those are the card kits for this month with the card folder. It's really cool. It'd be really nice for a gift, and you know, you could use that idea for so many different things. So I hope you like that. And if you would like one of these kits, and I'll explain now for anyone who doesn't know, you can get the stamp of the month, which is Tutti Frutti, for $18.95. You know, just buy just that for $18.95 plus shipping and handling and tax, right? Or you can order $50 worth of merchandise and get it for $5. If you're VIP, you get it for free with a $50 purchase. So that's all you have to do. And my website is stampinforever.closetomyheart.com. And that will be in the video description once I get this on YouTube. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Thank you so much for watching.